This is our Provis dual mesh used for laparoscopic ventral hernias. Okay. So you have the blue side, which is the polyurethane visceral side, and you have the white side, which is polyester and towards the abdominal wall. Now we have given a marking here, which is printed now, where you get to see an arrow at 12 o'clock, and further marking at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. This is meant for getting orientation for surgeons, so you can conveniently place the mesh properly on the defect. Sorry. Now prior to our printing this, we had given laser cuts here. That time we are not giving a printed marker here. So to indicate, we had given a laser cut here for 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock and 8 o'clock. Why we have done this and why we are giving you all these things is, there are generally two type of techniques used by surgeons to place this mesh in the anterior abdominal wall. So some surgeons use the straight line method, it's 12 o'clock, center and 6 o'clock, and then they automatically realign the mesh. Okay. There is another set of surgeons who have been trained differently. They use a triangulation method. Okay, so 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock. When you see this, it becomes a equilateral triangle. So you can easily lift any circle or a square uniformly with a equilateral triangle. So they use 3. So whatever technique you are using, straight or not, what you are not using, you can remove the sutures. So we are giving extra for that. So you say why you need here also, you remove if you don't want it. No issue there. So both techniques, right? Straight line technique and the triangle. More so in South, who have learnt in Palani Velu's institute, he recommends this triangle. Some who are using straight line. So don't go into an argument कि ये इधर क्यों चाहिए उधर क्यों, सब नहीं चाहिए तो निकाल दो. You're given an extra. All this what I am talking about is also mentioned in our IFE, instruction for use, okay, which is included in each and every packet. If you have one here, just check in this box. And it is mentioned, like the surgeons can read it, you all can read it, all of PSUs can read it. Now we've done so much efforts and nobody has gone through it and asking 100 questions on food. You see this?
This is the most sacrosanct document about the product.
And to make it easy, you spend so much time to do this, and we're giving it in all the packages. Okay. We have also given a sterile scale. Okay. Sterile scale. Now this mesh is to be lifted till the top so that the suture is picked up with a suture capturing needle. Okay. Cobbler's needle. Okay. So you go through the abdominal wall and then lift it and bring it out so that you support by tying it. Now we've given this so that you can exactly know where to go on the abdominal wall. So you take this to the center of the defect. So this is the center of the defect. You keep it here. So by keeping an index finger, you can rotate this very easily. Okay. We have given a marking of 12 and 15. Why 12 and 15? We have two meshes. One is 12 circle and one is 15 circle. So when you
most commonly used,
this is what we are using is
15 by 15.
15, hai na? So you can go with the needle blindly. This is suppose 12 o'clock at this location. You are given a line here. Very easy. You make a small nick. So you will immediately go to exactly this suture line, suture where you have placed. See this? Suture is inserted perfectly. So no need to think. You make it very easy. Same thing, you can turn it like this, you'll get this suture line. Turn it this thing, you'll get this one. So it makes his life so easy from the abdominal wall. And this is unique to us. We should actually patent this. right here. So you go in and pick it up.
Very, very thoughtful.
Okay. So a lot of efforts have gone into it. The surgeons will certainly appreciate.
We'll discuss this with the surgeon, sir.
Now that we are giving a printed mesh, we are discontinuing this laser marking. So you'll, after some batches, you'll not get this laser marking. So you have a printed thing. So you have the scale here, which is on the top, convenient, and then you do it, pick it up. After that, we have got an excellent tacker, which I'll show you. Okay, this is part of the